Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Battleground Mobile India Facebook login issue. So if you're getting this error, login authorization through Facebook has failed, please try again. So if you're getting this error in the BGMI, then here follow the fixes to solve this error. Now before performing any of the fixes, first of all let me tell you that Battlegrounds Mobile India Facebook page has issued a news over here. You can see notice Facebook login issues. Dear player, we have identified that Facebook login service is currently unstable and some players may experience authentication errors. So if you are unable to log in with Facebook, please try accessing your account using another login method that is already linked until the issue is resolved on Facebook end. So you can try the another platform to log into your BGMI game. So previously if you have linked the Google account or Twitter account previously, then you can switch to login via Google account or Twitter, and then you can play the game. But in case if you have not linked the account earlier, then you can't follow this method. So players who rely solely on Facebook login and have not linked another method will need to wait until the issue is fixed on Facebook's end. However, Krafton has not provided a timeline for the fix, but you can keep an eye on the Facebook page of Mobile India for any new information or for any new updates when this problem will get solved by the Krafton. In the meantime, you can follow these fixes. You can just log out and log in to your BGMI. So you can launch the BGMI app and then go to the settings. And then here you will see the logout option at the top bottom left corner. So tap on logout and then try to log in via Facebook and check if your problem is solved or not. And if you have earlier linked your account to Google or Twitter, then you will see the option over here at the corner top right. So tap on login via Google or login via Twitter and then you can check. If you have two different accounts in Facebook, then you can log in with another Facebook account and check if your problem is solved or not. Also, you can clear the cache of the BGMI app. So tap and hold the BGMI app icon, then click on app info, then go to the storage usage and then click on clear cache and then confirm it, and then you can go back and check if your problem is solved or not. Next method is to update the Facebook app. So open Play Store, tap on search for Facebook and then tap on it, and if you find any updates available for this Facebook app, then update it, and then you can go ahead, log in with Facebook and then check if your problem is solved or not. Also update the BGMI app. So open Play Store, tap on search for a BGMI and then tap on it, and if you find any update available for this app, then please update it, and then you can go ahead and launch the game and then try to log in via Facebook and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check if your problem is solved or not, and if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check if your problem is solved or not. You can also turn on aeroplane mode and then turn off aeroplane mode and then go ahead, launch the game and then try to log in via Facebook and check if your problem is solved or not. Next method is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it, and then you can install any VPN app from the Play Store such as Proton VPN, Super VPN, Ninja VPN. So you can install any VPN of a choice from the Play Store and then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then go ahead, launch the BGMI app and then try to log in via Facebook and check if your problem is solved or not. And if still your problem is not solved after following all these fixes, then the last solution is to simply uninstall and reinstall the game. So tap and hold the BGMI app, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall and then just restart your device once. And after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for BGMI and then reinstall the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve BGMI error, login authorization through Facebook has failed. Please try again. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.